Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today I would like to talk about what are the planets responsible for bringing prosperity, abundance, and good fortune in your life. So, a lot of people have this kind of question saying that, uh, what are the planets responsible for bringing the good fortune? What are the houses in the birth chart that we need to see, that we need to check to understand whether whether we have a good fortune or not? It's very easy to find out. You just need to check your own horoscope. Okay, so the planet situated in the fifth house and the planet situated in your ninth house. So these two planets are primarily responsible for bringing good fortune for you. Why? Because fifth house, as per sage Parashara Hora Shastra, it is considered as Purva Punyasthan. Okay, and whereas ninth house talks about blessings from ancestors and also your good fortune. These fifth house lord and the ninth house lord and the planet situated in the fifth house and the planet situated in the ninth house and the aspects that fifth house and ninth house is receiving plays a major role in terms of getting you the good fortune. Okay, so you might have seen a lot of people, ninth house affliction wouldn't have been there at all, and their ninth house would have been super strong. For all these people, they have a very good fortune in terms of making money, in terms of getting the prosperity, in terms of getting the abundance, in terms of making a lot of wealth. Okay, that happens if at all your fifth house lord or ninth house lord or the planets or fifth house and the ninth house gets activated, and if at all you are running the main planetary period, that is Mahadasha or Antradasha of that specific planetary period, and if at all you want to know what are the Mahadashas and what are the Antradashas, please check other videos where in which I would have given complete analysis about what is Mahadasha, what is main planetary period, what is sub-planetary period and all that. At any point of time, you will be having two planets which will be ruling for your life. One is the main planetary period, another one is the sub-planetary period, which is nothing but Antradasha and main Mahadasha. Okay, so these two planets are primarily responsible in terms of specific events in your life. So most importantly, if you ask me any kind of question related to marriage, business, career, or your debts or enemies or foreign settlements or anything, your wealth, so everything you have to first analyze your planetary combination, and at the same time I have to see who is the Mahadasha lord for you, who is the main planetary period, what's the main planetary period that you are undergoing, what is the sub-planetary period that you are undergoing, what is the Pratyantar Dasha that you are undergoing. So these two planets are quite important for you to analyze, because a lot of events generally happens depending upon the planetary alignment, depending upon these two planetary alignment in your birth chart. Okay, and also your D9 chart plays a major role, because D9 chart itself is considered as a Navamsha chart, which is nothing but a fortune chart. Okay, we are talking here about the ninth house and the fifth house, and the chart related to the ninth house is nothing but your D9 chart. If at all, if you check in the microscopic eye of your ninth house, that's nothing but your D9 chart. And the planets, the planetary alignment that you have in your D9 chart is very much important for you to take into consideration for analyzing the good fortune in your birth chart. Okay, why? Because I tell you, because if at all you are undergoing the planetary period of stronger planets in your birth chart, obviously your life will be so good and everything will be happening on your favor. If at all you are undergoing a weak planetary period, if at all your planets are weak in your birth chart and also in the Navamsha chart, and if you are undergoing that planetary period, obviously it will be little tough for you in terms of managing your day-to-day life, right? And a lot of problems keeps arising, a lot of challenges and obstacles keep arising because of these reasons. Okay, and I hope it makes a lot of sense for you to understand and get a horoscope consultation done to understand how is your planetary alignment, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what are your opportunities and what are your threats. That's complete analysis I can able to provide you in my horoscope analysis. The link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for a detailed horoscope analysis consultation, so that would able to help you to get a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. It's not about a general prediction. Anybody can able to talk about the zodiac sign. In fact, you can even browse the internet and you can find a hell lot of articles pertaining to what's your zodiac sign, what is these characteristics. But let me tell you, my dear friends, that is basically a general prediction. That is not your individual prediction. Your individual prediction matters a lot, which can be derived by date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. When you have date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, we can create a birth chart pertaining to you, especially by taking the degrees of the planets into consideration, and by analyzing the sage Parashara Hora Shastra and Bhrigunandi Nadi we can able to help you with the horoscope analysis pertaining to your birth chart. What are your strengths? Which are the planets which are having strength? Which are the planets which are in the weaker state? What are the Raja yogas? What are the good yogas? What are the bad yogas? What are the exalted planets? What are the debilitated planets? All those things have been thoroughly discussed in your horoscope analysis. Okay, so I'll see you in the consultation. Do book for an astrological consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, and I'll take a leave from now from this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.